Hi guys! Welcome back to acrylic painting with me, Julie E. And we're going to be working with the split cup today. It's just the dual chambered side one. I got these from Mixed Media Girl. She has a shop on Etsy and I believe she's running a sale on these at 10% off. So I will leave a link for them in the description. We're going to be working on a black base with metallic colors. I will bring you down onto the canvas and we'll talk about it there. Be right back. Okay, here is what we're working with for our base coat. We're going to be working with Artist Loft Flow Black. Then we have silver with it's a combination of Sargent Liquid Metal, silver, and Deco Art Americana Decor Bright Metallic in Pearl. Those two are mixed together. Then we have golden with fluid acrylic, iridescent bronze fine. Then we have Artist Loft Copper. And last but not least, Deco Art Americana Metallics. And that is 24 karat gold. down in for a quick flyover. I love all these lines, and I love how that pearl and silver together just kind of fade off into the black, giving it kind of a shadow look around it. I adore that. And there's our wreck lines. It's very pretty. A lot of the copper did get lost, but that's okay. It's starting to come up as it's sitting here. You can see. Especially here, I thought this side it was going to be gone forever, but yeah, if I put a shadow over, you can actually see where a lot of that copper is showing up. It's just my lights are so bright right now. But yeah, as long as there's a shadow. Here, let me stand in front and see if we can get a shadow going. You see? See how that copper shows up? So the copper's there, even though it doesn't look like it now. It'll be there when it dries. So I am excited to see the dry results on this one. Hope you are too. And I will have those for you in a snap. Okay, here it is, all dry. I'm gonna back away quite a bit for this one, it's long. But yeah, I am in love with how this came out. Check out these lines. All that gold and copper and bronze and pearl silver. And then this, that flocculation in just the right places. Like I said, I normally don't care for flocculation, but when it shows up in the right spots, I absolutely adore it. And this just adds so much to this painting. It gives it texture, it gives it movement. I don't know, it's just so cool. I love that. So I am so glad that I did not scrape this when I saw it happening, because it didn't go in to the rest of the paint. All of the rest of the paint is cool. It's just these parts where I must have had my recipe a little bit off for the silver and pearl mixed together, and then possibly overstretched it. And that's how that happened. But okay, that is so pretty that I'm okay with it. And I hope you like it too. So the F word should not be a dirty word. Flocculation is not always a bad thing. I also love how the copper showed up. I knew it would show up once it dried. See how the copper lines through there? How pretty are those? Love it, love it, love it. Okay guys, that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed, and until next time, loves and hugs y'all. Bye.